unpacking the Red Hot Chili Peppers, a journey through rock innovation and fandom. Welcome to the Music Educator YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the electrifying world of the Red Hot Chili Peppers. Prepare to be captivated by their high-energy performances and groundbreaking sounds that have shaped the music industry for decades. From their funky beginnings in Los Angeles to global stardom, discover the history of the Red Hot Chili Peppers. Their journey from local gigs to international fame is a testament to their talent and relentless passion for music. Explore the roots of the Red Hot Chili Peppers and how they revolutionized the funk rock genre. Their innovative blend of funk, rock, and punk created a unique sound that resonated with fans worldwide, setting them apart from other bands. Learn about the formation of the band and the key members who've shaped its sound over the years. From Anthony Kiedis's distinct vocals to Flea's iconic bass lines, each member has contributed significantly to their signature style. Uncover the stories behind their early days, including their first gigs and initial struggles. The band's perseverance through adversity and unwavering dedication to their craft laid the foundation for their future success and iconic status. The album Blood Sugar Sex Magik marked a turning point for the Red Hot Chili Peppers, catapulting them into mainstream success. This breakthrough album combined raw energy with soulful melodies, creating a unique sound that resonated with fans across the globe. The Red Hot Chili Peppers revolutionized the music scene with their eclectic blend of funk, rock, and punk influences. Their innovative approach defied genre boundaries, setting them apart from their contemporaries and earning them a dedicated and diverse fan base. Their greatest hits, like Californication and Under the Bridge, encapsulate the band's versatility and emotional depth. These iconic tracks have become anthems, capturing the essence of their musical journey and leaving an indelible mark on listeners worldwide. Each chart-topping single by the Red Hot Chili Peppers tells a story through its intricate lyrics and captivating melodies. The band's ability to craft songs that resonate on both a personal and universal level has cemented their status as musical legends. Over the decades, the band's musical style has continually evolved, reflecting their growth as artists. From their early funk-driven days to their more polished rock anthems, the Red Hot Chili Peppers have consistently pushed creative boundaries while staying true to their roots. The Red Hot Chili Peppers albums By the Way and Stadium Arcadium solidified their place in rock history. By the Way showcased a more melodic and introspective side, while Stadium Arcadium displayed their versatility, earning them widespread acclaim and multiple awards. The band's most iconic performances and tours have left a lasting impression on fans worldwide. From electrifying sets at festivals to intimate club shows, their dynamic stage presence and boundless energy create unforgettable live experiences, solidifying their status as legendary performers. Behind their famous tracks lies a fascinating creative process. The band members draw from diverse influences and personal experiences, crafting songs that resonate deeply with listeners. Collaborative writing sessions and spontaneous jam sessions often birth their most memorable and impactful music. Fans express that the Red Hot Chili Peppers music is unforgettable due to its raw emotion and relatable themes. Their lyrics and melodies evoke a sense of connection, making fans feel understood and part of a larger community that shares their passion. The band's impact on pop culture and influence on other artists is undeniable. Their innovative fusion of funk, rock, and punk inspired countless musicians, shaping the sound of modern rock. Their style and attitude left an indelible mark on the music industry. The Red Hot Chili Peppers' journey is marked by personal stories and struggles that have deeply influenced their music. Each band member's unique experiences and challenges contribute to the raw and authentic emotion found in their songs, resonating with fans worldwide. Flea's transformation from a jazz trumpeter to a bass guitar legend is a fascinating tale of adaptability and passion. His innovative playing style, blending punk and funk elements, has become a cornerstone of the band's distinctive sound and musical evolution. Anthony Kiedis' captivating vocals and poignant lyrics draw listeners in with their raw honesty. His personal experiences, battles, and triumphs are vividly reflected in the band's music, creating an intimate connection with fans who find solace and inspiration in his words. John Frusciante's dynamic guitar riffs have played a crucial role in the band's success. His melodic and innovative approach to guitar playing adds depth and complexity to their sound, making each track an unforgettable auditory experience for listeners. Chad Smith's powerful drumming is the backbone of the Red Hot Chili Peppers' music. His energetic and precise rhythm drives the band's songs forward, creating a solid foundation that complements the intricate layers of their unique musical style. The Red Hot Chili Peppers have consistently demonstrated a commitment to philanthropy, supporting numerous causes over the years. From environmental initiatives to funding music education programs, their charitable efforts extend beyond their musical contributions, making a meaningful impact on various communities around the world. Collaborations have played a significant role in the band's journey. Memorable partnerships with artists like Snoop Dogg and George Clinton have enriched their musical repertoire. These collaborations have not only broadened their creative horizons, but also introduced their music to diverse audiences. Their induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame was a testament to their enduring influence and remarkable career. This prestigious recognition honors their contributions to music and solidifies their status as legends within the rock genre, inspiring countless musicians globally. Throughout multiple decades, the Red Hot Chili Peppers have managed to stay relevant in an ever-evolving music industry. Their ability to innovate while staying true to their distinctive sound has kept them at the forefront, continuously attracting new generations of fans. The band's numerous Grammy Award wins and other accolades highlight their exceptional talent and hard work. These honors celebrate their groundbreaking albums and unforgettable performances, underscoring their significant impact on the music industry and reinforcing their legacy as rock icons. The Red Hot Chili Peppers' ability to maintain their unique sound despite lineup changes is a testament to their adaptability. Every new member brings fresh energy while respecting the band's core essence, ensuring their music continues to evolve without losing its original charm. Their live performances are legendary and unforgettable, drawing fans into a whirlwind of energy and emotion. The band's chemistry on stage, coupled with their electrifying presence, creates an atmosphere that's both intimate and explosive, leaving audiences craving more. The Red Hot Chili Peppers significantly impacted the alternative rock movement of the 90s, blending genres in a way that resonated with a diverse audience. Their innovative sound and rebellious spirit helped define a musical era, inspiring countless artists and bands. The band's evolution has been a journey of growth, experimentation, and reinvention. Each album marks a new chapter, reflecting their personal and artistic development. As they continue to push boundaries, fans eagerly anticipate what the future holds for these musical pioneers. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Red Hot Chili Peppers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel for more awesome content. Stay tuned for more insights into your favorite bands and musical genres.